Entice them to buy now with a freebie or discount and include a deadline date when the offer ends.